Robert runs a fantastic daycare center on the north side of Fort Worth. He recently called us with a problem that has become common for many daycare owners in the state of Texas. He received a notice of non-renewal for his daycare insurance policy after years of paying premiums to the same company and never filing a claim. Robert didn't completely understand the notice, and since he had bought his policy online, he felt like he didn't have anyone to call with his questions. As the date of expiration neared, he reached out to our specialized agents to see what could be done. When we realized he had less than 2 weeks to find new comprehensive coverage, we explained that this could be a problem for his business property coverage, but set out trying to help Robert find a solution that could fit his needs. Our conversation began with questions so that we could understand exactly what kind of daycare insurance package his business needed. Whether you're starting a new daycare or your current policy is expiring soon, it's essential to understand the key coverage options to protect your business, staff, and children. What insurance does a daycare really need? Let's break down the different types of coverage that will protect your business. General liability insurance. This is the foundational liability insurance coverage for any daycare. It protects your business from third-party claims of injury, accidents, or property damage that could occur while families are at your daycare center. For example, if a child were to slip and fall in the hallway, general liability would cover the medical expenses or legal fees associated with that incident. Professional liability coverage. This liability policy covers lawsuits related to negligence or mistakes in care, such as if a parent makes a claim of negligence that your daycare did not provide adequate supervision for their child on the playground when an injury occurs. In Robert's case, professional liability insurance provides protection should such a lawsuit arise. This was something missing from his expiring daycare insurance package. Abuse and molestation insurance. No one wants to imagine the worst, but abuse and molestation insurance is critical. It protects against claims involving allegations of abuse or inappropriate behavior by staff members, even if unfounded. These abuse allegations can cripple your business with the legal costs of defense. Ensuring your daycare has this coverage from the start will protect your business and reputation in the long run. Property insurance. Since Robert owns his daycare facility, property insurance protects the building, its contents, and outdoor equipment from damage caused by fire, theft, or other unexpected incidents. Even though you may not own like Robert does, property coverage can help replace physical property like playgrounds and even toys. Workers' compensation insurance. Workers' compensation is not required by law in Texas. However, it does cover medical costs from a work injury, such as a child biting a worker. Additionally, it provides compensation to employees in the form of lost wages if an employee gets injured and cannot return to their job immediately. This coverage helps protect your staff and your business from costly claims. Don't wait until it's too late. Protect your business, staff, and the children in your care with the right insurance plan. Allow the daycare insurance experts at Insurance for Texans to find you the right policy. Click the link in the description to get started today.